Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of my hair growth journey, I'll be showing you my current hair length and the products I'll be using and what I hope to achieve in the next 3 months. So today I'm going to be, we used to call this hairstyle pop-up. This is the only hairstyle I can make at the moment because my hair cannot make any other style apart from this style. So I'll be making, I think this is the sixth time that I'm making this particular hairstyle before I graduate to another hairstyle. So guys, come with me on this journey. Let's grow my hair together. So for the oils that I'm going to be using for my hair, I plan on using shea butter and coconut oil for my scalp and to moisturize my hair, and I hope to achieve a longer and healthy natural hair. So guys, on this series I'm going to be showing you different kind of hair treatments for natural hair that you can use for your natural hair. Also, I'm going to be showing you like a lot of hair treatments that you can use for your natural hair that will make your hair look healthy, fine and longer. So I'm going to be giving you a lot of hair treatments that you can use for your hair. Stick with me on this journey. Let's grow our natural hair together. So guys, I'm going to see you at the end of the video. So guys, at this point my hands were already aching me, so I had to call somebody to come and help me, one of my girls to come and help me complete the hair. And if you're also on a natural hair journey, come, let's go together. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment, and I'm going to see you on my next one. So this is the final look, and I think my hair has grown because the last time I made this hair not as long as this, so I think the next one is going to be longer. See you, bye.